Hey, this will be a video chart on OWVI, One World Ventures Incorporated. Before I get started, I do want to note that I bought shares today, so I do own shares in this. So just keep that in mind. With that being said, let's dig in here. The reason I bought today was simply just this volume. The company's had some nice news out and so forth. And then when you see this above average volume start to come in, it's one of those things where if you follow, the charts that we do and stuff, you know that volume alerts are pretty popular. So with the volume pouring in, try to get in. I was sitting down here, hoping that we'd see a pullback to right around the low threes. It never came, so I had to end up getting in right at about 0.0035, 0036. That's right around where my average is. But with the volume, what I'm hoping for is a breakout of some of these key resistance levels, and I'll go over those in a second. But real quick, just to update some of these other drawings you see over here. I've done this video before, and I've been following this chart and stock for a while. The last time I did it, I think, was during this section here where we had a bull pennant type pattern forming. Unfortunately, you can see the price broke to the downside and has since fell down here, and then basically just been drifting around for the past couple months. And then recently it started to come back to life here, and then, like I said, today this volume caught my attention. So that's why I wanted to hop. So with these resistance levels, the first one, and I'm just going to get rid of this pattern over here, but this resistance level actually remains because it's very important. That is, my current price target here. Hopefully it'll come up here and hit this level, but this will be an area of resistance, as can be seen back here in late November, early December. 4 times the price came up and hit its head right at this level. So this is definitely a stubborn resistance, but as I've said in other videos, the good thing about stubborn resistances are when they are broken, usually they can provide quite more of a push upwards. So this will be the key level to watch on Monday. Hopefully the price can break through there, and and I think that'll get some more momentum players in there and so forth. So if 0.004 does fall, then the next area of resistance that I'm kind of looking for is right around this area here, where we had previous highs. This is at 0.0046. So percentage speaking, this is a nice little area of percentage possibilities here, just because we are in a sub-penny stock. So these are the 2 key levels that I'm watching, and obviously I'll trade accordingly. If it's showing weakness here, then and can't get through there, then I'll have to trade. But if it's looking like this is going to blow right through, and it does, then obviously I'll kind of adjust my strategy from there. Same with up here. So I don't know how I'm going to trade it. I know I'll get that question. All I will say is I'm going to definitely keep my eye and see how it reacts around these key areas of resistance. And if, like I said, the bulls look like they're in complete control and basically just consistently knocking on these doors, and you keep seeing market makers fall off, then I'd feel comfortable. But if it looks like it's struggling, then that's a whole nother story. And obviously, let's say it gaps up to 0.006, that probably wouldn't be a great entry for people. I have no idea if it will. That was more of a joke than anything. So please don't say, hey, why'd you tell me to buy? It gapped up at 0.006. That probably wouldn't be a smart thing to do. But I don't see it gapping up. That was, if it does, I'll be happy, but I highly doubt it would gap up. So that is where we stand right now. Support-wise, for people that want to know where the supports are, key supports right now are pretty much, we had some lows here. This is where I was bidding for quite a while at these lows, which are at 0.0032. Never got any fills there though. But this is one of the support levels you'll want to keep an eye on if it does begin to pull back at all. But the key level that you don't want to see fail to the downside is simply right here, which was the key breakout level. You can see this was definitely a pain in the neck, and this is kind of fits in perfectly with my example. This level at 0.0029, just really annoying. Price couldn't get through it, but when it finally did, you see the results. A nice move up, and hopefully that'll be the case up here too. If 0.004 can fall, maybe hopefully it'll gain some more momentum like that. But with that being said, 0.029, this is really the level that's pretty important now, so I'm going to make this extra thick just to represent the importance of it. This was a big annoying resistance, so if it comes down, it's going to need to be an annoying support level for the bears trying to push through it. Will it go all the way down there? I have no idea, but if it does, from a charting perspective, this is the lowest you'd want to see it go before it head back up. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's something for everybody, and best part is it's all free, good variety, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. One more time, this is OWVI, and one last reminder, I do own shares in this. If you have any questions on the chart, let me know. If not, have a good weekend.